Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in a few minutes, so I will pause the screen recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential opportunity. All right, I'm looking to buy at 145, so I'm watching that number right there, and I want to see it drop down to 145, and then for this white line to turn green. So white means I'm trying to buy, green means I have been able to buy. And I am doing options here. If you don't know what options are, just comment below option guide. And I'll link you to a free class I put together called The Big Basics of Options. Okay, we're getting close. Walk you through the terminologies, all that good stuff. Okay, getting close. Nope, got to cancel that out. Did not fill me. I'm going to change strike prices. You're changing what? Again, just comment below option guide, and that'll be one of the terms that I cover. I'd like to try to buy around that white line there. Oh, now bouncing right back up. Okay, I'll keep a close eye on it. Okay, I'm at 135 here. So again, watching this number over here. Want to see this white line turn green. I'm going to adjust to 132. Okay, I'm going to actually change strike prices here. I'm going to try at 155 here. Got that. At 155. Not really going my way, but want to give it a second here. This one is obviously taking a while. Wow. Impossible to get out. I thought I was for sure going to be able to get out there for for $50. See if it maybe wants to come back down. And actually got 500 out of it. So I'm glad I watched the chart. Like I said, well, now it could have been that much more, but considering at one point I was thinking about taking a $500 loss, but then like I said, noticing the chart, okay, let's give it a little bit more of a chance. And to pat myself on the back a little bit, I was right in that regard, but also to keep myself humble, I was wrong. I could have probably gotten another 500 out of it. Maybe. At least another couple hundred out of it. So I did some things right on that one, did some things wrong, but I'll take it. That was, that trade took a while, but I'll take it. All right, well, that's why sometimes you got to just, now it's a fine line, but fine line meaning sometimes are you breaking rules? Are you bending rules? And potentially there, but at the same time, it was still within, nothing was getting absolutely crazy. It's not like all of a sudden my P&L was flashing down some, crazy amounts. So good trade overall, but could have been better, but again, could have been worse. So did some good things, did some bad things. I don't know, maybe that'll be the title of this video. Did some good things, did some bad things. We'll see what happens. But all right, it is 9:40. It's only 10 minutes in. I'm not sure many places in the world you can make $500 in 10 minutes. So I'm definitely grateful for it. But let's see what else I can find. I have an order at 148 here for a call. Price was somewhat close for a second. All right, I'm going to try 145 instead. Maybe I should be up a little bit higher right now. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I have an order at 155. Nope, not filling me. Taking way too long to fill. I don't like that. I want to be filled a little bit quicker than that. All right, I will keep a close eye on things. Have an order at 158. Not filling me. I'm glad I canceled that out. Maybe 140. All right. Okay, I have an order at 160. Oh my, there we go. And at 160, or excuse me, 158. And out there for 200 on that one. I about canceled it out just because it was not filling me until the last moment. It did fill me, so that's good. And I may try to take another one here based off of 145. Throw that out there. Only went for 200 on that one just because this action's relatively squirrely. All right, let's see what happens. There we go. Up to 700 now on the day. I will pause. All right, price is now dropping back down. Looking at the time, it is a little past 11. So 90 minutes in, $700. I'll go ahead and take it. Is this enough money that's going to buy me a yacht? It's not, but that's also not my goal here. As why I do trading. And if it is your goal, that's fine. If you want to get that sort of stuff, but for me, within the context of my situation, father of 6 kids, they're still young at home. I want to be able to have the freedom of time, the freedom of the schedule. To me, that's the ultimate wealth. Maybe you think something, like I said, maybe you think a mansion is the ultimate wealth, and cool. I hope you can get that mansion. But I believe that it is the freedom of time that is the ultimate wealth. And that's why I preach and teach multiple streams of income. And that's also why I do not call myself a full-time trader, because I have many other streams of income coming into my finances, this being one of them. So that's why I just say day trading is a side hustle for me. And like I said, for a side hustle, if I can put in 90 minutes, $700 in my pocket, I will take it, especially on days like this that are a little bit more tricky to trade. If you watch past videos and you've seen me make, $700, $800 within, a few minutes. But today was not one of those days. It did take a little while longer, but also I don't want to come across as a detached, greedy savage, because I would never go up to somebody that's making, 30, 40, $50 an hour and complain about making $700 in 90 minutes. I would never do that. I'm just saying that, relative to how this market can somewhat, kind of trade, today was kind of a little bit more of a challenge, but still very grateful for it, and I will take it. So again, if you want to learn more about options, just comment below option guide. And if you want to just support the channel, if you enjoyed what you see here, can you please hit that subscribe button? That really goes a long way. So hitting the subscribe button, hitting the like button helps out. And like I said, if you enjoy it, but you're like, I don't really have any money, Clay, so I can't really join your community or courses or anything like that, that's totally fine. A free way to help out and to show support for the content is just to hit the subscribe and like button. So thanks for watching, and take care. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.